Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Greg. I'm going to go over Polkadot because Polkadot I think is a very solid coin. Well, is it going to be performing better than some of the other coins? Probably not, but I think I like the fact that Polkadot is more focused on security. But there will be coins, in my opinion, that could perform better in the next bullish sequence in the cryptocurrency market. However, I still like the coin. I still think it has potential, and it is going to be, this is a first wave. It's coming in for a second wave, and it's going to be going into a third wave. Okay. So in this area, the $5 area, and up for $80 in its next move, third wave move. So reasonable targets and over a 10x, which is reasonable for a coin like this, in my opinion. So you'll hear higher targets than that. You'll hear 3, 4, 5, 600, but I'm sticking with the conservative area, guys. Right now, what Polkadot is in my opinion, is finishing up a fifth wave. And if you guys notice, there's a common theme among all these coins, including Bitcoin and Ethereum and altcoins. This is a fifth wave, and RSI supports that. So if you take a look, it came down, here's a 1-2, here's the third wave, primary third wave dump, came up into a fourth, and now it's going into the fifth wave. And you can see if you place your trend just like that, where I think this is a $4 or $5 area they can hit, and you will have bullish divergence, usually an indication of a signal of something coming up, of a trend change or something along those lines, possibly. So whether it's going to come down, finish it up, its correction, and go into a corrective move to swing back down, that's a possibility. You want to keep that in the back of your mind. Or it's going to finish up correction, start consolidation, and going into its next bullish move. It all depends on where you are in the market and what your belief system is right now. The bears, frankly, say this is going to come down. It may bounce, and then it's probably in that situation. If it's that bad, then this could be the end of Polkadot, at least for price appreciation for a long time, just to give you guys a perspective. Now, as far as the retracement on this coin, if you go from that highest price and it comes down to my areas, that's going to be a 90% retracement, which is good. If you take the Fibonacci levels on the price retracement for Polkadot, you can go from that one, it is well into the area where you want to see for a second wave for cryptocurrencies, and it's going to hit 90%, which is acceptable for a second wave correction. Okay, this is the year, very acceptable for that coin, and off a log well beyond 90%. Okay, so everything looks good for a second wave correction for Polkadot. Okay, now the area that I'm going to look at here real quick, I'll show you guys. I think what Polkadot is doing is some sort of expanding ending diagonal, which is good news. So 1, 2, here's the 3, up for a 4, and now 1, up, swing up for a 2, swing down for that 3, swing up for the 4, and then it's going to probably aggressively come down in a 5. With the expanding diagonal, the first wave is always shorter than the third wave, and the fifth wave is going to be longer than the third wave. So this is the longest wave in this move. Now, the good news for Polkadot in this move, if this ends up being a diagonal, that does mean the diagonals are always the end of something right here. They always complete something, and there's something new coming down here, whether it's a bullish move or another corrective move up. That's what they mean. These can only be at the end of a move or at the beginning, as far as these the diagonals. So it looks good. I like what it's doing. It's coming down to probably to my area, my box area, for a price target. Now, on its next bullish move, like I said before, if you're picking it up down in these areas, you're looking at least probably a 10x, which would be reasonable for a coin like that. Once Bitcoin and Ethereum go bullish, and we see bullish moves with Bitcoin and Ethereum, it follows Bitcoin and Ethereum closely. And also too, one of the things that I do, this follows Bitcoin so close. Sometimes I go look at Polkadot to get clues on what Bitcoin may be doing. And this is kind of giving me an idea that Bitcoin's kind of in the same area as Polkadot is. Looks like Polkadot probably could have something like another, that's a 35% drop if it follows that that diagonal right there, guys. See? So that's still a significant drop for Polkadot. So just to give you an idea. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.